Want your backyard to look like this in 2025? By the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can work directly with me to make that happen. I'm Zach Buckle. I own this 1/3 of an acre vegetable farm, and we've grown $76,000 worth of vegetables so far this year in a 120-day growing season in Zone 5. If you're serious about growing your own food, check out my free backyard farm launch pad at the link in the description below. So, starting November 25th, which is the Monday before Thanksgiving, we're offering 5 days of deals with Homestead mentors for me to help you grow food in 2025. The first day's deal, which is Monday, November 25th, is the Beginner Backyard Planting Guide, which includes a downloadable Excel sheet crop plan, a weekly to-do list to keep you on task for planting all season long, an annual planting schedule that's customized to your plant zone, and a video orientation by me showing you how to use these tools. Regular price of this is $99. Sale price is $49, available Monday, November 25th only. Day 2's deal, which is November 26th, Tuesday before Thanksgiving, is a $300 Homestead Mentors gift card available for $150 only. So that's 50% off $300 worth of Homestead Mentors purchases. So you could buy any course on homesteadmentors.com, including my garden course or her meat birds course or a microgreens course with that gift certificate. But the $150 price is available for 24 hours only. Day 3's deal, which is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, is Earlybird access to a January 26th live crop planning workshop with me. This is a 2-hour live workshop with me virtually, where you will get a blank Excel crop plan to fill out with me during the 2 hours. We'll go over everybody's different growing situations and growing seasons. I will recommend the best crops for you to grow in your growing season. I will walk you through an easy 15-minute a week planting to-do list to keep you on task throughout the entire growing season, and we will try and plan out 2 crops in one season wherever possible in this workshop. This deal is only available on Wednesday. The regular price is $199, but it's available for $99 Wednesday only, and there's only 5 spots available. So you'll want to sign up for this as soon as possible. Day 4's deal, which is, you guessed it, Thanksgiving Day, is a personalized backyard garden strategy session with yours truly. This is a 90-minute virtual strategy session. There is only 5 spots available for this. I will work with you ahead of time, one-on-one, to figure out what your goals are with your garden, how much food you want to grow, what crops you want to grow. I will personally write you an Excel crop plan for your entire growing season that is exactly how I would write a crop plan for my farm. I will write you a no-dig garden setup plan that is custom for your situation, which will tell you how much compost to buy, where to buy it, how much wood chips to buy, how much cardboard to acquire. All of those details will be figured out for you ahead of time. And I will walk you through an easy 15-minute a week to-do list to stay on task through your entire growing season to give you success in year 1. During our session together, I'll give you crop recommendations, garden layout recommendations, indoor nursery setup recommendations, and weeding recommendations to keep your garden as high yield and weed-free as possible during the growing season. The regular price for this is $600, but it is available on Thanksgiving Day only for $450, and there is only 5 spots available. And last, but definitely not least, is our Black Friday deal. This is the pièce de résistance of deals because it is our busy parent backyard farm blueprint. This includes my 7-hour Gardening 101 course, which walks you through everything you need to know from seed to harvest to grow your own food in your backyard. Whether you have 200 square feet or 2,000 square feet, I go over seeding, planting, crop planning, yield calculation, weeding, cultivating, harvesting, storing your own food, nursery setup. Everything you need to know is included in that 7-hour video course. And there's also a ton of downloadables to help you along the journey, including an annual planting schedule custom to your plant zone, which will walk you through how to get 2 crops a year wherever possible. An easy 15-minute a week to-do list that will walk you through all of the little things you need to do every single week throughout the entire growing season to keep you on task and make it easy to produce a lot of food without spending a lot of time in the garden. It includes a no-dig garden setup shopping list, which allows you to calculate exactly how much compost, wood chips, and cardboard you'll need to set up your garden in your backyard without having to do a whole lot of complicated math. This calculates it all for you. All you have to do is plug in your garden bed dimensions, pathway dimensions, and perimeter dimensions. We will also include a custom True Leaf Market seed order shopping list for you to buy custom to your climate. It's a recommendation. We're also including a downloadable Excel crop plan template with an example crop plan that you can custom make your own crop plan for your backyard with yields and plant calculations with every crop you want to grow. This product is going up in price starting November 30th to $599. The current price is $279 only until Black Friday. So it will never be at that price again. You really want to act now on this because this is the best product to help you grow food like I grow food for hundreds of customers in your backyard. So if you want in on the 5 days of deals, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter at the link in the description below. As an added bonus for subscribing, you're going to get our free Backyard Farm Launchpad where I walk you through how to set up a no-dig garden in your backyard in 4 easy steps. Absolutely free.